we saw and we ate Shehtoot. And the name of the shop is Sharma. Ruko na ek minute. So we tried to swim first time in the ocean after learning the swimming. यहाँ बहुत careful रहना पड़ता है. Good morning. So today we are going to Malaga. So we are driving from our Airbnb in Kentar to Malaga. It's like 2 hours of drive. And in the morning we woke up and I showed you like the Airbnb. We just chilled in the backyard where there was pool. We didn't go inside the water because the pool didn't look clean. But the entire scenery, the birds chopping, swimming करने दे. वो देख रही है baby. Oh. प्यासी है. Coffee पिएगी? You can offer what we have. And it was so quiet, like apart from birds chirping and us talking. We had coffee, breakfast there, and just like sat there. It was really quiet, peaceful, amazing view. And finally, not in Granada, but in a small town of Granada, I found one tree of pomegranate. But I think it's not the season, so I could see the flowers only. But there were not like proper fruit there. And also, we saw and we ate Shehtoot. Like there were green Shehtoot. I have never eaten green Shehtoot, but I don't.
English में क्या बोलते हैं?
Don't know.
पता नहीं.
Wild berry, some berry.
They're mulberries.
मेरे को पता है मैंने कभी somewhere I don't know sometime I have googled it, but I don't remember. If you know, please let me know what do we say Shehtoot in English, huh? बट मैं वीडियो देखते चलाते बनाते कैसे गूगल सर्च करूँ. So we had like a lot of Shehtoot, but I have never had the green Shehtoot, but I only had the red one, and that too very small one. There the Shehtoot were really big, but I have seen the bigger Shehtoot, but the red one in Delhi. And Sachin told like he has always eaten the bigger Shehtoot, and he ate the Shehtoot after 2008. 2007 or 8, like after so many years. Even the taste, it was so nostalgic. I used to eat it in our village. Now we are off to Malaga, but from our stay in Kentar, we were taking the other route, not from Granada, but some other route to Malaga, and it just took us somewhere up in the mountain, and there were no route. It was like dead end. But that drive, like half an hour going and half an hour coming back, was so good. But we wasted like 1 hour, but it was worth it. Like I think the drive was worth it. The view, the mountains. It was a very narrow road. It was amazing, a little bit risky, but chef's kiss. From mountains to ocean, but still we have mountains. So finally we have arrived in Malaga, and I'm like here in the center. We have just parked our car, and here you can see mountains from this road, and here we have ocean. I don't know if you can see, and this road connects both of the things. So the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna eat and have lunch because we're really hungry. We didn't have much for the breakfast. We just had like coffee and a little bit like biscuits or something. The city is so crowded. We found this shop where they're hand painting the t-shirts and clothes, and the name of the shop is Sharma.
Nice.
Made in Malaga. It's made in Malaga. We have just had our lunch, so we ordered like usual patata bravas, fried potatoes, and we wanted to try the gambas pilpil here because usually I have like gambas al ajillo, which is like gambas in garlic olive oil, but this was like with garlic and chili oil. This is really typical of Malaga, so we wanted to try that with herbs as well. Yeah, so we wanted to try that, and we ordered, and it was like boiling on the table. Like they opened, and the first piece that Sachin took, there was a strand of hair. So we were like, can you change it? And this is it. So they gave us the big plate because we ordered like a tapa, and it was really tasty, and that was complimentary obviously, which was really sweet of them. But then at the end of the day, it was their fault. So but it was really tasty. But we had like a lot of oil because of it, but that was like one of the best thing we had here, and like the usual drink. So now we are really full. Now we are going to be moving from here and explore city for some hours. We have come to now Cathedral de la Encarnacion de Malaga, and there's also a museum inside it, but it's like, again, it's in like a very crowded street and a This is the front part of the cathedral. This was made in 16th century, I guess. Yeah. ये Statuas Marques है.
किसकी माँ की है?
Statua Marques. This is the Museo de Malaga, and there, like in front of it, where we wanted to come, is the Teatro Romano Alcazaba. It's the Roman theater. No, this is the entrance for Alcazaba. This is the entrance of Alcazaba. This is the ruins and the remains of the theater. वही ना, ऐसी हवा में पूरा सन ऐसा पता नहीं चल रहा है, मतलब वरना बहुत गर्मी लगेगी. Small interpretation of Louvre Museum. No, it's a joke. So this is the front view of Alcazaba. No, I think it's the back.
What the fuck?
You can see front from the other side. And then you have the Roman theater here. We just came back from the Teatre Roman. This is here. And then you can see all of the Alcazaba there. It feels like it's not that hot, but after like 15-20 minutes walking in this heat, it's just like, it's killing. Let's see if we plan to go to the Alcazaba inside. I don't think so. Like, we'll be able to make it in the time, or we have to choose either to go to Alcazaba or to go to the beach. I think we'll be going to the beach. Yeah, the entry for the the entry for the Roman theater was free today because it's today's Sunday. So all the Sundays, the usual museums and the places will be free. Like the admission will be free. So that's why it's free today. We didn't know because I thought like to go there it's free and then you cannot access the Roman theater. You have to go and take the ticket. So we went to take the ticket, but then it was free. Like you can just roam around everywhere. अब पता चल रहा है कितनी गर्मी लग रही है. 15 मिनट में एकदम से खड़े हो कैसा रहा है, लाल हो गए बिल्कुल, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. Yeah, so this was one information that you need to know. Come here on Sundays. We have taken this very typical amandres de Malaga, which is like fried or roasted almonds with salt. I think we have taken with the one with the salt. How's it? ऐसे दिया है जैसे अपने यहाँ वो देते हैं ना दाल. Now this is the Center Pompidou de Malaga.
Pompidou?
It's like the, I don't know, French contemporary arts. It's a museum, like sort of a museum or collection of art. नहीं इसके अंदर है. You can go inside and there's a collection of modern arts. Now we have come to Playa the Malagueta, and yes, I thought that this structure is going to be of sand. तभी मैं सोचती थी कि कभी temporary किसी ने बनाया होगा sand का, हट गया होगा. But this beach is so crowded. Let me just show you. मैं इतनी crowded beach पे पहली बार आई हूँ. Now we are going back from the beach. Yeah, we spent like approximately like 2-3 hours on the beach and we didn't even realize the time. We didn't have like the bed sheet and everything, so we rented the chairs and umbrella.
Sunbeds.
Sunbeds, yeah. We rented the sunbeds. Like it was 14 euros, and I think entire day you can just, as long as you stay. So we just stayed like for 2-3 days. But that was a good deal, like. We just lie down, we went into the water. Me and Sachin, we have newly learned swimming. So we tried to swim first time in the ocean after learning the swimming. How was your experience? It was good. It was better than before. We were not struggling as much as we used to do. And I also tried to float, tried to swim. I could do that. Obviously, we haven't learned completely. We have done like almost like 15-16 classes. So we are not there. Like we cannot float in deep sea. No, but you cannot float like as in like लोग ऐसे पैर करके पूरा फ्लोट कर सकते हैं ना. हम सिर्फ उतने में कंफर्टेबल हैं जितनी हमारी हाइट है. देख के तो बस नहीं रुकेगी. यहाँ बहुत केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है, नहीं रुकती बस तुम्हें मार के चली जाएगी. Yeah, but still it was like a very, very, very good experience. And I used to float like in the swimming pool, but when I was floating here like upside down, I could see the sky, the mountain. It was amazing. Yeah, so now we're going back to our car and then back to Sevilla. And why Sevilla? Like I'm living in Sevilla for 3 months, so that's why we took this entire tour. So yeah, this is it like for the entire 3 days south of Spain tour from Sevilla to Cordoba to Granada to Malaga and now back to Sevilla. And there are a lot of things like maybe we didn't do, and obviously a lot of things we didn't shoot as well. But yeah, I think in a nutshell, this was all our experience. So this is it, all of our experience in nutshell. And if you've made to this point in this video, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye. See you next time. I'm gonna put, okay, Anshul, please put, जब मैं ये बोल रही हूँ सारा, तो सुबह की जो कॉफी की और वो व्यू और वो बिल्ली और शहतूत वाली वीडियो